Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put text behind objects in CapCut Mobile. So here I have a video with an object, a person in this video. And to add the text, let's write the text first. So click on text and add text. Here I'm going to just write, for example, hello. You can change the font and style to your liking. Adjust the size. So I'm going to put in here, for example. And after that, click on the check icon. Okay, so after you write the text, let's export this project first. Okay, wait until it's done. And don't close it. You can just go back to the editing page. And let's remove the text. Here you can add the video that you've just exported. Click on the plus icon and select the video. Okay, and then select the original video, the one without the text, and make it as overlay. Drag it so that it has the same duration or the same position, and let's remove the background of the overlay. Okay, use the auto removal, and you can see now after you apply the background removal, the text will be behind the object. So guys, that's how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.